And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can convert arrays to strings. There's a simple toString method. We've got our array here, a couple of colors, and I want to store it in an str. Let me add let str equals our array, then dot toString. Don't forget the brackets. And if we print out the str now using document.write, you can see our colors. So what it does is it takes the ARR array, which consists of these colors, and then stores it in str. But str is not an array anymore, it's now a string. Just to prove that, let me change that to 4 numbers. This also works, it prints it out. And if we now use str.length, you can see it doesn't give us a 4. We have 4 numbers, therefore an array would result in a length of 4 as it has 4 elements. Instead we'll get the character count, and that's 9. We've got 1, 4, 4, 7, 1, 5, that's 6, and 3 commas, therefore we have 9 characters. And this is how you can convert an array into a string using JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.